Hey, Dr. Summers. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and I noticed that you guys have some Facebook ads going on. So I thought I should give you a few free tips that you guys can apply right away. That's going to help with your organic leads, so you don't have to rely so much on the paid ones. Going to your website should be like a virtual cash machine, meaning that nearly 70% of your organic leads come from this website. So it is really important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. So looking at your website, I'm not really seeing any extra pages, any menu pages. You need a separate page for every treatment and service that you're offering so you can focus on the keywords that are relevant to those services and treatments, um, and capture new patients that way. So you do have a little bit of content here, a little about you and your background. Um, okay. These just a little bit about the services, but these really need their own page so that you can use keywords and help your patients find you. Content's going to be the key here. You need 1,000 to 1,500 words of content or more, depending on what your competitors are doing. If your competitors have more content, you need more content, but it all has to be around your local buyer intent keywords, keeping in mind that not all patients may know or understand those technical terms and may not even realize it's chiropractic that they need. They may be searching other terms trying to find help for their ailments. So you need to think outside the box when it comes to those keywords. But every single page throughout your website needs original content and needs to focus on their own keywords. Can't use the same keyword on multiple pages. If we look at your top competitor when we search for chiropractic, is Bailey Chiropractic. They have a good looking website. They got a ton of pages. Let's see, a little bit of content. But they really don't have much going on here either. So these guys should be relatively easy to beat by just working on that content and keyword strategy and then supporting it with search engine optimization. Because without SEO, nobody's going to find your website. If we look here, it doesn't really look like you have any SEO going on. You have a rating of a 2.3 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which is 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. Not all of these are created equal, so you do need to make sure you're getting authoritative links that are do follows so that they share the power of those high sites. And you need to understand that you only get credit for one backlink per referring domain, so anything extra is looked at as spam. If we look here, only 3 of your domains are do follows, so only 3 links are actually helping your website. You have been indexed for over 120 keywords, but you're only getting about 55 people on average to your website. If we look at your keywords here, you do have a couple on the first page of Google. There's 10 spots per page, but none of these, well, American Fork Chiropractic. Okay, those are your local keywords there. But everything else is national. And with national, you're going to get false metrics. You're going to get people from all over the country landing on your website, and they're not going to convert into new patients. So you do need to focus on these local buyer intent, patient intent keywords and rank those to the first page of Google so you can actually be found and convert them into new patients. If we look at your competitor, they have a low score of a 0 with over 300 backlinks and 20 referring domains. But of those, only 10 are do follows. So you only have to beat those 10 referring domains in quantity and quality. They've been indexed for 61 keywords, and they're only getting 59 people to their website. These guys are going to be super easy to beat. You just need to go and optimize that website. And then the last part of this is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because 30% of people go straight to the maps and they don't search anywhere else. So if you're not listed here in the top 3, you send all those potential new patients to your competition. Now, in order to get in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important is going to be citations. And that's going to be the name of your practice, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and Facebook. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And if you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and service areas using those local buyer intent keywords supported by SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I would love to get your feedback on what you thought of the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.